Good day to all. Let us have this interpreting data presented in different kinds of line graphs. Let me close this. So, our objective for this session is at the end of the lesson, you are expected to find the highest and lowest value of the collected data, describe the relationship between the values of the collected data, solve for the difference between the highest and lowest value of the collected data, interpret the graph, and enhance the value of accuracy and perseverance. So before we proceed to our discussion, let us have first a recall. So the recall is all about the table of values, movies watch. Kim and his family often watch movies at home. The data shows the number of movies watched by them from 2008 to 2012. So these are the year, and these are the number of movies they watch per year. So based from the data, answer the following questions. Number 1. In what year does Kim and his family watch the most number of movies? So, ang tanong, in what year does Kim and his family watch the most number of movies? So, ang tanong ay, what year yung most number of movies? So, sa most number of movies, ang pinakamadami is 18. So, anong taon yun? So, the answer is 2012. Nahuli lang yung aking effect. So, let us have the second question. What is the total number of movies they watch from 2008 to 2012? So, when we say total number of movies, so, sa total number of movies, so we are going to find the total of the number of movies they watch from 2008 to 2012. So, what operation are we going to use when we say total? We are going to use addition. So, the answer is 62. So, how did we come up with 62? So, to find the total, let us add 8 plus 12 sa number of movies. 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus 18, it is equal to 62. So, number 3. What is the total number of years Kim and his family watch movies? So, ang tanong naman dito, total number of years. Kanina ay total number of movies. So, kanina kung sa total number of movies, tumingin tayo ay sa number of movies. Kapag total number of years naman, ang titingnan natin ay ito, yung number of years. So, ilan yung total number of years? So, paano? I-add ba natin dahil total? Yes. But are we going to add 2008 plus 2009 plus 2010 plus 2011? So, hindi ganun. Ang tanong lang ay ilang taon, total number. So, how many years sila nanood according sa table of values? So, let us just count. So, 2008 is 1, 2009, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, the answer is, the total number of years Kim and his family watch movies is 5. 5 years. Was 5 years. Yan. The answer is 5. So, number 4. What is the average of the movies they watch from 2008 to 2012? So, average. Kailan natin kalimitang naririnig ang word na average? Kalimitan kapag kukuha ng card, ano kayang average ko? Ganyan-ganyan. Pasado kaya ako? Ganun. Pasok pa kaya ako sa with honors? Yan. May line. Ganon. So, here, ang atin namang hanaping average ay number of movies they watch. So, What is the average of the movies they watch from 2008 to 2012? How do we get the average of the movies they watch? Kung sa card, di ina-add natin yung grade sa English, Filipino, and so on hanggang MAPE. Then, dinidivide ba saan? How many subjects? Divided by 8. So, here, we are going to add the number of movies they watch, 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus 18, divided by, which is 62. 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus 18 is equal to 62, divided by the total number of years, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, which is 5. So, 62 divided by 5 equals 12.5 or 13. So, the average movies they watch from 2008 to 2012 is 13. So, how did you get the average of the movies they watch? So, the answer is the total number of movies watched all over the total number of years. So, that is how you get the average of the movies they watch. Now, let us have the discussion about interpreting data presented in different kinds of line graphs. So, let us have this picture, this line graph. George works as a salesman in an authorized car showroom. He records the number of cars sold in 5 days, Monday to Friday, on a line graph. Study the graph and answer the questions. So, here, mapapansin nyo, ito yung ating days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And here, ito naman yung number of cars sold. Ito yung kung ilan yung nabili, nabenta, nung araw na yun. So, the title of the line graph is Car Sales. So, on Monday, how many cars were sold? So, the answer is 3. On Tuesday, how many cars were sold? 5. On Wednesday, 6 cars were sold. Thursday, 4 cars were sold. And Friday, 9 cars were sold. Now, let us answer the questions. How many cars were sold on Friday? The answer is 9. On Friday, there are 9 cars sold. So, the next question is, how many cars were sold in 5 days? So, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, ilan na daw yung nabentang car? Lahat. So, what are you going to do? You're just going to add the number of cars sold per day. So, in Monday is 3, Tuesday is 5, 3 plus 5, Wednesday is 6, 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 27 cars. So, there are 27 cars sold in 5 days. So, on which day were the maximum numbers of cars sold? Kung papansinin nyo, kailan daw may pinakamaraming nabenta na sasakyan? Pansinin nyo na agad yung line graph. Alin ba yung may pinakamataas? Yes, the answer is 9 cars. 9 cars, which is on Friday. Let me correct it. So, our answer is, kasi ang ating tanong is, on which day? Hindi naman sinabi na ilan yung car, diba? So, dapat ang answer natin is Friday. Friday. On which day were the maximum numbers of cars sold? So, the answer is Friday. So, which day had the minimum sales of cars? Alin naman daw yung may pinakamaunting benta? So, kung napansin nyo yung kanina, yung pinakamadami, ngayon naman yung pinakamaunti. So, madali natin makikita kapag may line graph. So, kailan yon? Kailang araw? So, the answer is Monday. So, how many more cars were sold on Tuesday than on Monday? How many more cars were sold on Tuesday than on Monday? Ilan daw ang lamang ng Tuesday na benta kaysa sa nung Lunes? So, what operation should we use? We are going to use subtraction. Yes. We will just subtract the total number of cars sold on Tuesday, which is 5, minus on Monday, which is 3. So, 5 minus 3, our answer is 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So, there are 2 more cars sold on Tuesday than on Monday. Now, let us have this another line graph. So, a wildlife biologist made a study on the population growth of hippopotamus and recorded the information on a graph. Answer the questions based on the graph. So, let us first observe the line graph. So, the title of the line graph is Hippo Population. So, in here, the x-axis, which is here, the independent variables are the year 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. And these are the number of hippos. Let us have this first question. So, in 2010 or in 2010, what was the population of the hippopotamus? So, titingin lang tayo doon sa year 2010. Tapos, ano daw yung population? So, tingnan natin yung number of hippos. So, in 2010, sa ating line graph, dito siya nagfo-fall. Between 36 and 32. So, sa tingin nyo, in 2010, what was the population of hippopotamus? Kung papansin niyo, by 4 naman yung ating yung ating number of hippos. So, ang gitna ng 32 and 36 ay what? What number is it? So, our answer is 34. So, in 2010, there were 34 hippopotamus. So, next question. So, number 2. How many hippos were there in 2007? So, in 2007 naman, ilan daw ang hippopotamus na na-record? So, let us see our line graph here. So, the answer is between 28 and 24. The answer is 26. So medyo ang ating line graph ay hindi all the time ay by ones, yung 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Pwede din siyang merong multiples niya. Gaya nito, by 4 siya. So, isipin nyo na lang yung pinakagitna, saan siya malapit. Kung sa bagay, maano naman ito, yung ating line graph naman ay madali namang intindihin kasi may line pa naman siya. So, itong line na to, it only means na ito'y gitna siya ng 24 at 28. Ang gitna ng 24 at 28 ay ang 26, number 26. So, let us have the third question. In which year did the hippo population reach 30 in number? So, kailan daw siya, kailang taon daw na-reach niya yung 30 na population? So, hanapin natin yung 30. So, dito ang 30. So, kailang taon siya nag-fall ng 30? Ating baybayin lang. Here. So, our answer is, so in year 28, the hippo population reached 30 in number. Now, let us have number 4. What is the average number of hippos from 2005 to 2010? Remember yung ating napag-usapan kanina, ating na-discuss kung paano kunin ang average. So, what are you going to do? First, ano ba yung number of hippos from 2005 to 2010? So, 12 plus 20 plus, ulit, 12 plus 20 plus 26 plus 30 plus 32 plus 34 divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 years. So, let us have the calculator for that. Pero pwede nyo ring manually, kumbaga mano-mano yung i-compute. Pero to make sure lang, gumamit na muna tayo ng calculator for now. 12. So, in 2005, 12 plus 20. Wait lang, nawawala kasi yung mouse cursor. Plus 26 plus 30 plus 32 plus 34. So, the answer is 154 divided by how many number of years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 154 divided by 6. So, the average number of hippos from 2005 to 2010 is 25.67 or 26. Alright, next. So, how many more hippos were recorded in the year 2008 than in 2006? So, ilan daw ang lamang ng 2008 na hippos dun sa na-record ng 2006? So, let us have this. In 2008, how many is the population of hippos? 30. So, and in 2006, 20. So, what are we going to do with these values? So, ang tanong ay, how many more hippos were recorded in the year? Parang kino-compare. Ilan yung lamang nung 2008 dun sa 2006? So, what operation are we going to use? We are going to use subtraction. So, 30 from 2008 minus 20 from 2006, which is equal to 10. So, there are 10 more hippos recorded in the year 2008 than in 2006. Now, let us have this learning activity. So, write your answer on the answer sheet provided by your teacher. So, pakisulat do sa worksheet na ipinadala sa inyo about ang mga sagot nyo dito. So, this is the line graph. Distance versus time. Number 1. What is the title of the let me change the spelling. What is the title of the line graph? So write your answer on the worksheet. Number 2. What is the distance covered by the car after 45 seconds? Number 3. At what time did the car reach 80 meters? Number 4. What is the distance of the car after 15 seconds?